Welcome to Blessing. This is Rekha. Like in previous session, we saw how to download our softwares and all, and we need to keep it in one folder as I have instructed. Also, I have shown in my previous videos like how to download Eclipse and all, and I've provided the links as well. Now we'll see like how to configure Selenium with Java and how we can just make things ready in order to write our test cases. Okay, as you guys saw, like I have kept we need three things in order to write our test cases. First is like Eclipse as an editor in order to write some like programming codes and all. Second is Chrome driver in order to interact with any browser based applications. And third thing is Selenium standalone server. Okay, so everything I have it now. Now, when I have an Eclipse, I'll just click on new. Okay, I'll click on new Java project. I'll create it as Java project as batch 17, or today's date is this is November month, right? So I'll create it as November. So here you will have many Java versions, but I suggest you to take a Java 1.8. Okay, then click on finish. Now your project is ready. This is my project, right? Java 17 November, right? This has ready to use a Java code, but it is not configured with Selenium. Okay, it is not configured with Selenium. I'll just do one thing. I'll configure this Eclipse like as a Java with Selenium. Click on build path, configure build path, libraries, click on build path, configure build path, then click on libraries tab here, add externals jars. Okay, it was in batch 17, right, where I have downloaded my Selenium standalone server. Click on this and open. It would come here, apply and close. See, once you apply and close, you got a new tab, reference libraries. It is integrated now. Okay, your Java, this project is integrated with Selenium. Okay, thing is ready. Now you can write your test cases. What I'll do is I'll create one package. The package name, I'll name it as test package. As of now, simple, I'll give it as test. In that, I'll create, in order to write your any code, you'll have to initially create a class. That is, I'll create some configure class. I'll name it as a configure. Okay, because in order to write in your test cases or anything for that matter, you need a main method in Java. So select the public static void main. Finish. Things are ready. Okay, now I have configured my Selenium. Now third thing is needed. I need my this driver, right? Because I want to tell whatever the things are there, I want to open it there. Now, next step, what I'll do is, this is the website, right? I'll take this URL. I want to launch this URL on the browser without my intervention. I want to write a code. So there are some 4 lines of code which will remain same throughout your like automation journey, for which you'll have to configure. Okay, so see carefully, system dot set property. Okay, it will be in the form of a string key and string value. You are setting up a property. Okay, when I say string key and string value, when I say string, basically it will be in a double quote. What you'll give it in a key? I'm telling WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, I'm telling my WebDriver is a Chrome driver. Okay, I'm specifically telling. After that, when I say my WebDriver is a Chrome driver, I'll have to specifically give here. I'm telling Chrome driver, right? So I'll have to give this path, Chrome driver path. Okay, done. It was there in batch 17. I'll go to properties. Okay, the name was in this folder, name was Chrome driver. Dot extension was, I think it was .exe. Okay, .exe, as you guys saw. I'll give .exe. Done. Okay, I'm setting up my system.set property. I'm telling my WebDriver is a Chrome driver as of now. I want to launch it on a Chrome browser, and I'm providing a Chrome driver in order to launch it on a Chrome browser. I'm providing a Chrome driver path, which I have downloaded and kept it in on my system. Okay, now I'll get web driver equal to new Chrome driver. I'm telling here web driver equal to new Chrome driver. I'm telling whichever the web driver is my interface, okay, that is having Chrome driver as in class. I'm telling explicitly create an object reference for this Chrome driver because I want to launch it on the Chrome. Now let us just do right click because I have done two-liner setup for my Chrome browser. I wanted to launch my Chrome browser. For launching a Chrome browser, these are the two set of code. First is you need a Chrome driver. Here you will have to initialize like which is your driver. I'm telling web driver is my Chrome driver. I'm providing that path. Secondary is web driver equal to new Chrome driver. I'm telling open my Chrome driver and also Chrome browser. Okay. Now run as Java application. Let's see. It launches. See, your Chrome browser is getting launched. Understood? Now, I wanted my Chrome browser to be launched. I have written a two-line of code. That's completely fine, but it is not looking good for me. It is not maximized. It is doing somehow like I want to be proper maximized and all. Okay. For that, I want to write one more code. From now onwards, because you have created for your Chrome driver, okay, with the help of Chrome driver, you are launching a Chrome browser, right? So you have created one object reference as driver. One, just imagine like you have created one object reference. This object reference will do whatever you say now. I'll tell this driver, whoever I created object reference, right? I'll tell this driver now, this is my driver. I'll tell driver manage dot windows, okay, dot maximize. I'll tell my driver to maximize a window. This is the line of code to maximize a window. Okay, because I was not liking because it was not maximized and all, right? So I want to maximize it. Okay, now again it is launching a Chrome browser. See, it is maximized. Now it is looking a little better, right? Now what I want to do is it is launched and it is maximized. Next step, what I want to do is I want to go to this URL, SpiceJet login page, right? I'll tell again who will do for me? Driver. Everything driver will do for me from now. Driver dot I'll tell get this URL for me. And get method is taking string as an input. When I say string, you will have to pass it in double quote. Okay, I'm passing this URL. Okay, I'm passing this URL, run as Java application. Launching your Chrome browser and it is maximizing. Once it is maximized, it is getting that URL for me. Okay, now, once it is getting the URL, it will be, if you don't give any instruction, it will be waiting for you there. I don't want it to happen. I want to just open. Then I just want to do one thing. Once it is opened, okay, I saw this is the page. I want to close it. Again, if I want to close, who will do for me? Driver, because driver is an object reference. Driver, I'll tell my driver dot close. Now I'm done with the things. Please close the window. Okay. Now again, let us just run and see. Okay, launching a Chrome browser, maximizing, getting the URL, coming to that website and closing the window. This is what all about setup part. We did the installation, we did the setup. Now, if you do this much, at least 10% of your things are done. Now we are ready to learn. Thank you so much for watching.